Hello everyone, welcome to English Minute, the place where you can learn simple, real-life English in just a few minutes every day. Here, we practice easy conversations, improve speaking skills, and learn English the fun way. So, relax, listen, and speak along. Let's start learning English, 1 minute at a time. At the library. Conversation.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. How can I help you?
I'm looking for books to improve my English. Where can I find them?
You can find English learning books in section B on the second shelf.
Thank you. Are there any books for beginners?
Yes, there are. We have grammar books and short story books for beginners.
That sounds great. Can I borrow these books?
Yes, you can. Do you have a library card?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Perfect. You can borrow up to 3 books at a time.
How long can I keep the books?
You can keep them for 2 weeks.
Is there a quiet place to study here?
Yes, the reading area is on the first floor.
Can I use my laptop there?
Yes, but please keep your phone on silent.
All right. One more question. What time does the library close?
We close at 6 p.m. today.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your reading.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.